Days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday. Sunday means रविवार. Monday. Monday means सोमवार. Tuesday. Tuesday means मंगलवार. Wednesday. Wednesday means बुधवार. Thursday. Thursday means गुरुवार. Friday. Friday means शुक्रवार. Saturday. Saturday means शनिवार. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.